Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market. And today, we've got something special for all you gamers out there. The TechCare Tracer 3D Sexy Anime Mousepad. It's not just a mousepad, it's your secret weapon for dominating in Overwatch and other games. Stick around because, by the end of this video, you'll understand why this is the best mousepad for Overwatch. Alright, let's dive right into it. First off, let's talk about the features that make this mousepad a game changer. Do you ever experience wrist pain, fatigue, or discomfort during long gaming sessions? Well, say goodbye to all of that. The TechCare Tracer Mousepad comes with a built-in wrist support gel cushion that's designed to keep your wrist in a neutral position, reducing strain and preventing conditions like carpal tunnel syndrome. It's ergonomically designed for maximum comfort and support, making it the perfect choice for both gamers and office workers. But that's not all. This mousepad is not just about comfort, it's about style too. With its 3D anime design featuring the Tracer character, it'll add a unique personality to your workspace. Plus, it has the perfect size and shape for precise mouse movements, giving you that competitive edge in games. It's a must-have for gamers who demand fine control and precision. Now, let's talk about the materials used to create this masterpiece. The TechCare Tracer Mousepad is crafted with top-quality materials. It features a lycra cloth surface that's both comfortable and durable, a silicone soft mouse wrist rest gel cushion for superb support, and an anti-slip poo backing material to keep it firmly in place during intense gaming sessions. It's breathable, safe to use, and compatible with both laptops and desktop computers. Looking for a great gift idea for your gamer friends, coworkers, or even yourself? Look no further. This unique 3D anime mousepad's ergonomic design and precise surface movement make it an excellent choice for gamers and professionals alike. It's a high-quality accessory that not only enhances your gaming experience but also adds a touch of fun to your workspace. Worried about your purchase? Don't be. TechCare stands by the quality of its products. If you're not completely satisfied, they offer a hassle-free exchange or refund policy. Your satisfaction is their priority. So, there you have it, the TechCare Tracer 3D Sexy Anime Mousepad. It's more than just a mousepad, it's a game changer that combines ergonomic support, style, and top-quality materials. Whether you're an Overwatch enthusiast or a professional in need of wrist support, this mousepad has got you covered. Don't miss out on the opportunity to level up your gaming and working experience. Click the link in the description to grab your TechCare Tracer Mousepad today. That's it for today's product critique video. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more exciting products, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Also, leave us a comment below if you've got any questions or if there's a product you'd like us to review next. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video. Happy gaming, everyone!